Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Lecture. Today we see important topic about gravitation. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पीरियड ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल जियोस्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट इज द राइट आंसर 24 आवर. Now see important point about geostationary satellite. A geostationary satellite is an earth orbiting satellite placed at an altitude of approximately 35,800 kilometers directly over the equator that revolves in the same direction the earth rotation from west to east. The new global mobile communication network uses geostationary satellite. Next question, if the mass of earth is not changed and its radius decreased by 1%, then the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth would be increased by 2%. Next question, when satellite orbit close to a planet, its time period depend upon density of the planet. Next question, the value of universal gravitational constant G is the right answer 6.673 in 10 to power minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus 2. Next question, when body falls toward earth, its motion is due to gravitational force. Now see gravitational force. The gravitational force is something that attract any two objects with the mass. In addition, the gravitational force attract because it always tries to pull mass together and it never pushes them apart. Moreover, every object including you pull every other object in entire universe, and this is called Newton's universal law of gravitation. Force equal G into m1 m2 divided by r square. Here G is equal gravitational constant, m1 and m2 different mass body. Here r is equal distance between two bodies. Next question, name the world's first artificial satellite. The right answer Sputnik 1. Now see about Sputnik. Sputnik was the first artificial satellite, Earth satellite. The Soviet Union launched it into an elliptical low Earth orbit on 4th October 1957 at time 7:28 pm. Its orbital height 577 km and its speed 8 km per second. Now see about Indian first satellite Aryabhat. Aryabhat was the Indian's first satellite named after the famous Indian astronomer of the same name. It was launched on 19 April 1975. Orbit height 591 km and its rocket Cosmos 3M. Next question, what is the unit of the magnitude of the weight? The right answer Newton. Newton is the unit of force. Now see dimensional formula. Force or weight m1 l2 t minus 2, distance or displacement m0 l1 t0. Next acceleration m0 l1 t minus 2. Next velocity m0 l1 t minus 1. Next question, acceleration due to gravity decrease with altitude. Now say about acceleration due to gravity. Its symbol small g, dimensional formula lt minus 2, SI unit meter second to inverse. Its formula gm divided by r square and its value 9.8 meter per second minus 2 and its CGS 980 cm second minus 2. Now see its variation. From an object placed at height h, the acceleration due to gravity is less as compared to the place on the surface. Next, as depth increase, the value of acceleration due to gravity g fall. Next, the value of g is more at equator and less at pole. Next question, who said that the universe every body exerts a gravitational force on every other body? The right answer Sir Isaac Newton. Last question, do you know the acceleration of the moon depend upon gravitational force exerted on the moon by the earth?